Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best GBBS Gifts is probably one of the most exciting and thoughtful ways to celebrate your favorite baking enthusiast, especially if they've been inspired by the Great British Baking Show's iconic challenges and charming contestants. Imagine their delight unwrapping a present that perfectly captures the spirit of Paul Hollywood's Steely gaze or Mary Berry's signature handshake, bringing a touch of that coveted tent magic right into their own kitchen. These gifts are more than just items, they're an invitation to create, to experiment, and to share the joy of baking, making any occasion extra special for the baker in your life. Number 5. Nostalgia Retro Hot Dog Toaster. Introducing the Nostalgia Retro Hot Dog Toaster, the perfect way to enjoy delicious hot dogs and buns. It toasts up to 2 hot dogs and 2 buns simultaneously, making mealtime a breeze. With adjustable toasting settings, you can achieve your preferred level of doneness for your hot dogs. Simply set the timer and let it do the work, or stop toasting at any time. Removing your perfectly toasted hot dogs is safe and easy. It comes with a special hot dog cage and mini tongs to keep your hands protected. Cleanup is a snap thanks to the convenient slide-out drip tray. Just remove it after toasting and clean it with ease. When you're finished, the cord wrap feature allows for neat and tidy storage. Simply wrap the cord underneath the base to keep your countertop clutter-free. This appliance is not just for hot dogs. It works wonderfully with chicken, turkey, veggie links, sausages, and brats, offering versatility for all your toasting needs. What we like? This appliance toasts hot dogs and buns simultaneously, offering adjustable settings for your preferred doneness. If you love quick and easy hot dog meals without the mess, this is the perfect addition to your kitchen. It's ideal for busy weeknights or casual gatherings where convenience is key. What people say. The quality of the apron is excellent, it is made of durable material and the print is vibrant. The baking tins are non-stick and easy to clean, which is a huge plus for any baker. The recipe book included is full of creative and delicious ideas, perfect for beginners and experienced bakers alike. Number 4. OTOTO Red the Crab 2-in-1 Spoon Rest and Steam Releaser. Introducing Red, the Crab, a unique kitchen companion designed to make your cooking experience hassle-free. He's ready to lend a helping claw. This sturdy silicone rest is perfect for holding your spoons, tongs, and ladles. Say goodbye to countertop messes while you cook, bake, or grill. Looking for a unique housewarming or gift? This quirky ladle and spoon holder is a delightful surprise for any home cook, baker, or grill master. Made from food-grade silicone, it's heat-resistant and built to last. Cleaning is a breeze, either by hand wash or simply placing it in the dishwasher. Watch as he grips pot lids to release steam, keeping your cooking area safe and clean. Enjoy a more fun and fabulous meal prep experience. At OTOTO, we believe everyday chores can be enjoyable with our functional and quirky designs. We add a sprinkle of fun and magic to your kitchen. What we like? This unique kitchen gadget acts as both a spoon rest and a steam releaser, designed to keep your stovetop clean. If you're looking for a fun and functional gift for a home cook or baking enthusiast, this adorable crab-shaped accessory is a fantastic choice. It brings a touch of personality and practicality to any kitchen. What people say. The tin is a good size for a standard cake. The design is very pretty and looks lovely in the kitchen. It's made of good quality material and feels sturdy. Number 3. Donkey Tea Star Baker Apron. Are you passionate about baking? Do you dream of creating delicious pastries and cakes? This apron is designed for the aspiring baker in you. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this apron offers both style and practicality. It's ideal for all your baking adventures in the kitchen. Looking for a thoughtful gift for a baking lover? This apron makes a fantastic present for any occasion, sure to be appreciated by any pastry chef. Crafted for comfort and durability, this kitchen essential will protect your clothes while you bake. Its design adds a touch of flair to your culinary creations. Elevate your baking experience with this specially designed apron. It's the perfect companion for anyone who loves to spend time creating sweet treats. Inspired by the passion of baking shows, this apron is suitable for both home bakers and those aspiring to compete. Get ready to impress with your skills. What we like? This apron is designed for aspiring bakers, featuring a fun Star Baker theme. If you or someone you know is a fan of baking shows and loves to spend time in the kitchen, this apron is a must-have. It's perfect for protecting clothes during baking adventures and adding a bit of playful spirit to the culinary experience. What people say. The apron is made of good quality material and is very durable. The baking tins are non-stick and easy to clean. The recipe book has a wide variety of delicious recipes. Number 2. Star Baker Funny Baking Shirt. Are you passionate about baking and love to have fun in the kitchen? This shirt is perfect for anyone who enjoys creating delicious pastries and treats. Whether you're a seasoned pastry chef or just starting out, this garment celebrates your love for all things baked. It's a great way to show off your passion. Inspired by both Great British and American baking traditions, this shirt is designed for comfort and style. Wear it while you bake or just to show your enthusiasm. Add a touch of humor to your baking adventures with this unique shirt. It's designed to be funny, stylish, and comfortable for everyday wear. Looking for a gift for the baker in your life? This unisex shirt is an excellent choice for birthdays, holidays, or just because. They'll love showing off their baking pride. Embrace your love for baking with this fun and comfortable shirt. It's the ideal attire for anyone who finds joy in the art of baking. What we like. This shirt celebrates the fun and excitement of baking competitions with a humorous, Star Baker design. If you're looking for a comfortable and stylish way to show off your passion for baking, this unisex shirt is an excellent pick. It's ideal for casual wear, baking events, or as a gift for any pastry chef wannabe. What people say. The cake tin is a good size for a standard cake. The apron is well made and adjustable. The recipe book has a good variety of recipes. Number 1. Donkey T Star Baker Apron. Are you ready to bake up a storm? This apron is perfect for anyone who loves spending time in the kitchen. Looking for a fun and practical gift for the amateur baker in your life? This is sure to bring a smile to their face. Designed for comfort and a great fit, it's ideal for all your baking adventures. Look good while you create delicious treats. Made to last, this kitchen essential will protect your clothes while you bake. It's a must-have for any home baker. With a unisex design, it offers a comfortable fit for everyone. Get ready to impress with your baking skills. In a lovely forest green color, it adds a touch of style to your kitchen. It's as practical as it is charming. What we like. This apron is specifically tailored for the amateur baker, offering a blend of style and practicality. If you're searching for a gift that encourages a love for baking and provides protection in the kitchen, this is a great option. It's suitable for anyone who enjoys experimenting with recipes and wants to feel like a star baker. What people say. The tin is a good size for cakes and biscuits. The designs are lovely and very festive. It's a great gift for any Great British Bake Off fan. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.